So I'm at SEMA at the ARB booth, and I spotted a Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter that's not in the Toyota booth. This is like the only one I've seen that's not in the Toyota booth. I guess ARB is the only ones. But yeah, there's the Trailhunter badge. And of course, this is a new trim for Toyota. Kind of like how they have a TRD off-road trim and a sport trim and all that other stuff. Well, this one's the Trailhunter. So it looks like you get some cool things. You get a LED light bar integrated into the Heritage grille that says Toyota. You got rigid lights in the bumper part. I don't know if they all have this serrated edge kind of thing, but that's cool.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You have Trailhunter headlights. It actually says Trailhunter in the lights. I didn't know that before. I didn't see it. Never got that close. Pretty cool. My only complaint with the serious off-road versions is they still don't have tow hooks and they don't have a winch, a place for a winch. They do have skid plates though. That's just weird. There's no tow hooks or a place to mount a winch right from the factory. You have to buy aftermarket for that. Nice big wheels. Probably, what are these? These are 35s. Wow. So it's lifted on 35s. There's a nice Trailhunter branded upper control arm. They do have Trailhunter shocks as well. I noticed they're branded Trailhunter shocks. I don't know who makes the shocks though. The interior is really nice. This one's actually open and I have access to it. Check it out. I don't know if I'm supposed to go in here or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try until somebody says get out of there. It says Toyota on the dash. Kind of reminiscent of the Tundra. Very nice. Let's close that up. There you go. Here, let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Yeah, it's a little tight in the back because it is a Tacoma. Tacomas aren't known for a lot of space. It's a small pickup truck. Well, I guess they call it a medium pickup truck now, but it's enough to get the job done. Good enough for kids, right? There's another look at those 35s in the back, flexing. And here, let me give you a shot underneath. Full-size spare. ARB put a tow hook on the back. They should have put a tow hook on the front. Yeah, that's nice though. They have their bed rack. They got recovery racks or tracks, whatever you call them. Rooftop tent also by ARB. Yeah, that's a pretty nice truck. Let me go ahead and go for it. Should I go for it? Ah, it's locked. Oh, it says Old Man Emu. So they must have Old Man Emu, I would assume springs or shocks or everything suspension-wise. That's cool. Very nice. That is a cool little mid-sized truck. I would not mind having this too. And by the way, this is the iForce Max. So it is a hybrid. It's got a little 4-cylinder gas motor with a hybrid motor assisting the transmission. Pretty sweet.